guys, so we finally arrived here at MJ School. So just follow me, Kuya. I'm here. So we are going to register. Register muna tayo. Ayusin mo. Register.
Dalawa po.
No, meron pang passport. One per student.
Yes po.
Isa lang po. And this is MJ's Family Day passport. Okay, MJ, find your name. Is it gonna be mommy who signs? Or you? The
You po ay mami po. Sige po.
Mother. O nak, isign mo on behalf of daddy.
Hindi na si daddy yun.
Ano na si daddy? Thank you. Daddy, sign here. Come on. Uy, si Vitale. Oh, sign dito na. So daddy is signing also.
Ay, meron na po kayo. Nag-sign ito po. Ay, kasama niyo.
One student, full force kami. Full force.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go.
Hindi, picture. Hindi,
Doon
picture.
sa loob tayo.